All right, so we already looked at parallel lines. So now we're going to look at a different type of line. And I first want you to realize that the slope for one line is going to be 3, and the slope for another line is going to be -1/3. And then the y-intercept for the first one is 1, and the y-intercept for the second line is -1. So let's go ahead and draw this line here. Um, with 3x plus 1. So my y-intercept is 1. So I'm going to go 0, comma 1 here. And then go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then over 1. And draw my line. So remember, it is very important that you get your line to go directly through the center of the squares to have an accurate line. Okay, so something like this. All right, so now let's do the second line, and we're going to do it in red, which is we're going to start at -1 as our y-intercept, so 0 and go down 1. And then we are going to do -1/3. So I'm going to go down 1 and then to the right 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'll be here. And then I am going to draw this line here. Okay. All right, so this line here intersects at a 90-degree angle. All right, it intersects at a 90-degree angle at one point, which means this is a perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular lines. All right, and one telltale of perpendicular lines, not only is that you can see that it's intersecting at one point at a 90-degree angle, but the slopes tell you all that you need to know. So the slope for the first one is 3, but because we know we need rise over run, I did 3 over 1. And then the slope for the second one was -1/3. All right. So if you look at this slope here, all we did to get from the first slope to this slope is we flipped the fraction and then we put a negative sign in front of it. So that means the slopes of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals. Okay, negative reciprocals. So we're going to work more on perpendicular lines. I just wanted to give you guys an example of that.